beaten, bound and buried in silence. Yet my spirit refused repentance. Tortured by injustice, dragged through shadowed courts, yet my soul would not break. Framed by lies, harassed by hatred, mocked by ignorance, yet my strength did not waver. Hunted like prey, lynched without mercy, slain without cause, yet my legacy was never conquered. Branded, shamed, cast aside, yet my head remained unbowed, turned into spectacle, pain made entertainment, yet resilience became my anthem. Denied the right to learn, to grow, to simply be, yet wisdom found me, and I rose resourceful. Stripped of land, of name, of dignity, of gold, yet they could not strip my worth. For I stand, tall as the baobab, rooted deeper than history remembers. Seen now, heard now, rising still.
I am the so-called light of the world.
Not a label, but a lineage. Not a color, but a crown.
I am so-called light of the world.
I am the living jewel of Mother Africa, forged in fire, polished by pain, radiating a brilliance no darkness could consume. And even after all this, I choose love.
I carry compassion. I extend forgiveness.
For I am more than what was done to me. I am what I choose to become.
If this message touched you, like, subscribe, and share.